This is going to be a very quick review of dividing fractions and whole numbers, and then a quick topic of dividing fractions by fractions, which you already know how to do now. All right, if there is a mixed number, we must turn it into an improper fraction. Turn the whole number into a fraction by placing the number over 1. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. The divisor is the second number in the problem. Replace the division symbol with a multiplication symbol or multiplication sign. And then remember, we must multiply the numerator by the numerator and multiply the denominator by the denominator. I'm going to give you two problems that I would like you to solve on your own. I'm going to write them down, and I want you to pause the video and solve. 2/3 divided by 4 and 3/4 divided by 2. Pause the video and solve these. Your answer for the first one should have been 1/6, and your answer for the second problem should have been 3/8. If you did not get that answer, pause it and go talk to me and find out what you did wrong. Moving down to dividing fractions by fractions, turn any mixed numbers into improper fractions. Improper fractions. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. Remember, the divisor is the second number. Replace the division symbol with a multiplication symbol. And then multiply the numerator by the numerator and multiply the denominator by the denominator. Then you must simplify your answer. So we're going to do these two together. Our first problem is going to be 2.5 divided by 2/3. First, we have to change our mixed numbers to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 5/2 divided by 2/3. Now we keep, change, flip. Keep 5/2, change to multiplication, and flip 2/3 to 3/2. I cannot cross cancel, so I multiply across. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. Now it is an improper fraction, so I need to divide. 15 divided by 4. 4 can go into 15 3 times. I subtract, so my whole number is 3 and 3/4. Next, we have 3 and 3/5 divided by 1 and 7/20. We have two mixed numbers here, so we have to change them to improper fractions. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18/5 divided by 20 times 1 is 20, plus 7 is 27/20. Now I keep, change, flip. Now here I can do some cross canceling. I have 5 and 20, and I know that 5 and 20 have a common factor of 5. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 20 4 times. Then I have 18 and 27, and I know they have a common factor of 9. 9 can go into 18 2 times, and 9 can go into 27 3 times. Now I multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. I have to divide. 3 can go into 8 2 times. And I have a whole number of 2 and 2/3. And that is my answer. You are going to move on to the next page, page 25. My signature is required when you're finished with this one. Do your best.